Hello, my friends, and welcome back to a lesson about fractions. Uh, hmm. Well, I did have a bead around here somewhere to do this fraction lesson, but it seems to be missing. I wonder where it... Oh, there it is. Fantastic. The whole bead is here, but it does appear to be pancaked. That's fine. This should work even better because this right here is a hole. Not the kind that I can go into, but the kind that I can name, like a fraction. I have the whole piece. I have one of one pieces. It's pretty cool. But you know, I can do some really cool things with this hole here. I can cut it into other pieces. Well, let's see what I can do. I think I could maybe cut it just like this. Wow, check that out. I've cut it into two equal pieces, and these pieces have a name. We call them halves. And there's two of them. We have two of two pieces, but if I only decide to keep one, I have one of two pieces, or one half. All right, let's bring that hole back out and let's see what else we could do. Do you think I could cut it into three completely equal pieces? You don't, do you? You think that's hard? We'll just watch this. Like a doop, doop, and... All right, let's see if it worked. Okay, let's count them up. We've got 1, 2, 3 pieces. And when we have three equal pieces, we can call them thirds. And we have three of three pieces, but if I'm going to take two away and just keep one of them, we could say I have one of three, or 1/3. This is fun. Let's try it again. Here's my hole again. And this time, of course, I'm going to cut it into 4 equal pieces, just like zip and... All right, let's check out what I did. Ooh, look at those 4 separate pieces. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And you know their name is fourths. But I'm going to swipe 3 of these away and just keep one of them. And when we just have one, it is 1 of 4, or 1/4. Let's try that again. I'm going to grab my hole, and this time cutting it into 5 pieces. This one's tricky, but check this out. And... all right, let's see what I did. We've got 1 piece, 2 piece, 3 piece, 4 piece, 5 equal pieces. And when we have 5 equal pieces, we call those fifths. But you know, I'm totally going to take 4 of these away and store them somewhere safe and special till we need them again. And we just have 1 of 5 pieces left, or 1/5. Here's that hole again, and this time I'm going to cut it into 6. This is a little bit easier. Let's see here. 1 of these, and then this, and... All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 equal pieces make sixths. Very cool. We have 6 of 6 pieces right now, but in a moment, 5 disappear, and we're left with 1 of 6. Or 1/6. Notice how they're getting smaller, but I bet we can go even smaller. Let's try this again. Oh, sevenths though. That's going to be hard. I think I'm just going to hit it just right. Boom. All right, let's see if I shattered it just right into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 equal pieces. Try that. We call these sevenths. And of course, I'm going to steal 6 away to somewhere else and just hold on to this 1 of 7 pieces, or 1/7. Fantastic. This next one should be a little bit easier. Oh, of course, we're going to try 8 even pieces. Ready? All right. Let's check this one out and make sure we've got enough pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 even pieces. How fantastically perfect. We call these pieces eighths. And of course, I'm just going to keep one of those 8 pieces, or 1/8. Let's choose the most perfect one. That one looks pretty good. We'll toss these other ones to the side for now. Whew, I'm starting to run out of room up here for holding all my pieces. So we'll start putting them over here. The next one is going to be very tricky, but I know if I've got your help, I can split this whole into 9 even pieces with my mind. Whew. Wow, that took a lot of energy. Let's double check everything. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 equal pieces. We call these ninths. They're pretty fantastic. I told you I'm going to have to store them over here, but I also have to get rid of 8 of them, so I just have 1 of 9 left, or 1/9. Let's take these ones out of here, and we'll hang on to this one right here. There we go. Nice, comfortable place to be. And look at that, how it's getting a lot smaller. Man, if this was pizza, I'd be a little bit disappointed that my sizes of my slices are getting smaller. But we have one more to do. Here's that whole one more time. We are going to attempt to split this into 10 equal pieces. Now I want all of you to put your fingers to your temples and concentrate so hard on turning that into 10 equal pieces. Ready and go. Whew, I think I felt that actually. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. You did fantastically. Your mental powers are quite amazing. We call 10 equal pieces tenths. They're pretty fantastic, and just like the others, I'm just going to keep one of these 10 pieces, 1 of 10, 1/10. Wow, now look at all these different fractions all together. All these different pieces. Halves, thirds, fourths, fifths, sixths, sevenths, eighths, ninths, and tenths. They're pretty fantastic. And maybe you knew these, or maybe you knew some of them. But you know, we can continue to go. 11ths, 12ths, 13ths, 14ths. What would that look like? Maybe you can create some of those, or maybe you can take this to the next level and also do some sharing at the same time. Find a family member or a friend and think about making some cookies or maybe even some pizza and splitting it up into some of these different things. Oh, you could even take pictures of that and organize it all together, the different things that you've been able to split into halves, thirds, fourths, fifths, sixths, sevenths, eighths. But you know, these things are all very circular. And what do we do with square objects or triangular objects? There's so many possibilities. My mind is becoming fraction just thinking of which way to go. Well, I look forward to seeing what you do with these different fraction families, and also you can check out our lessons on fraction equivalence and also what these numbers mean here, these numerators and denominators. Well, my friends, have fun.